If you're like me and use Facebook Marketplace to promote your business and list your products, then let me show you this tool because it's going to be a complete game changer. It's called Nerdy Panda and it's a Chrome extension that interacts with all your messages coming from Facebook Marketplace. It goes through your messages and it answers. Now you might be asking, how does it know what to answer, right? Well, basically, it has this dashboard. The tool is called Nerdy Panda. It has this dashboard where you can insert all your listings by just inserting your Facebook Marketplace profile, and you just click sync listings, and it basically downloads all the information from your profile directly. So if somebody asks something specific about a product, it's gonna just look up that product and it's gonna be able to answer that question in the best way possible. Now, there are some other tabs like the business information. This is where you insert things like your phone number. If, let's say, you're a real estate agent, maybe you offer financing, maybe there are specific criteria tenants need to meet. You can insert all that information here. Then you have the AI list, the AI section, which is basically your prompt. This is where you're telling Nerdy Panda what to do. So maybe your goal is to get people's phone numbers, right? So then you can say that here, specify, you can tell it what to do, what not to do. For example, never negotiate price, all the things. You just insert it here, just as if it was your employee. You just type it in here and it's gonna follow those instructions. Now, let's say you want to make sure that it's behaving the way you want it to. Then what you do is you go to the conversation playground here on the right, and you basically choose a listing and you pretend to be a customer. So available, and then you send a message, and if you like the reply, perfect. It means that the instructions are correct. If you don't like the reply, you just go back to your AI instructions, or maybe your business information, or maybe your listing. You need to see what's wrong, where did it not do what you wanted to do, and go back and change that particular section. Now, there are also other features which are really cool. So, for example, the follow-up feature. So let's say somebody asks if your product's available. The chatbot sends the ouch reply, but they never reply back. Then with this feature, it's going to send a follow-up message the next day and the next day and the following day. This way, it tries to recover that lead. So in that sense, it's also really useful. Here you can see the status of each lead. So that's really cool. And then you have the actual leads, right? Here you have a list of leads. You have the person's name, phone number, a summary of the conversation. So you don't need to go through the whole Facebook Messenger going through the conversation. You just read the summary and that's it. You'll also receive email notifications in real time. So you don't even need to look at Messenger anymore. You just open your email and you're going to see the phone number. You give them a call and close the sale. And you'll also see all the information in Google Sheets. So maybe you want to write some comments. You can use this as your CRM, etc. So it's very flexible. And what else? Yeah, that's basically it. I mean, I would really encourage you to go and test it. There's a free trial. If you like it, you can subscribe. So best of luck with it.